Hello, this is DCon6661, and today I decided to go back to some old footage and put together this video of me putting together my computer. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the box that the computer case comes in. You're going to take out that case and set it up. Next thing, you're going to take the cables inside your computer case and you're going to move them out of your way, so it'll make the process much easier. After that, remove the manual and the pieces out of the case. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and install your power supply. Next, replace the I/O panel shield. Next, we're going to take out the motherboard and prepare it. Fasten the brass standoffs according to your motherboard's design. Remove the RAM modules from their packaging. Open the RAM levers. Gently push the RAM modules into their slots. Remove the CPU from its packaging. Open the CPU lever to 90 degrees. Make sure the triangle in the chip matches the triangle in the socket. Be delicate with the CPU. Be sure not to touch the pins on the underside. Close the lever and make sure it snaps into place. Place the heatsink and fan on top of the CPU. The pre-applied thermal paste will be enough. Clamp the fan down into place. Connect the fan's wire to the motherboard. If you want, go ahead and apply the stickers to the case. Next, remove the hard drive from its packaging. Be careful with the hard drive, vibrations can damage it. Fix the hard drive with a slide rail. Then slide the drive into the drive bay. Pick up the motherboard and proceed to place it in the case. Connect all the power supply cables to the motherboard. Remove the front panel. Remove the drive shield. Place your CD, DVD, or Blu-ray drive into the bay. Replace the front panel. Lock the drive into place. Connect the power supply to your hard drive, CD drive, and other devices. Once you're done with everything, tie up all the cables to prevent the blockage of airflow. After that, power up your computer and install your operating system of choice. And enjoy.